Hi, my name is Sherwood, owner of Sherwoodsdieselgarage, LLC. We're located down here in Belltown. If you know where the Belltown ball field is, we're right there. Started out with just hand tools that I had. I mean, you don't need fancy tools to be a good mechanic. You just need tools and do the job, do it correctly. I work from 7 to 3, I work 8-hour shift. Come home, 3:30, I'm usually in here, and I'm here till 11, 12, 1 o'clock sometimes. It all depends how busy I am. I started out as nothing, but you're trying to be one of the best out there and get along with people and treat your customers well, not only with your prices, but with your quality of work. And that's where I think we got the upper hand. If you have any diesel needs or anything that needs repaired, give us a call, 717-513-5750. You're not going to get an office, you're going to get my direct cell phone number, and that's the way I like to do business, and that's the way it's going to be done.